Cars.
This is Evan with his new toys. Hello. Can you turn that around for him? All his toys that he got for his birthday. My goodness. Scattered everywhere. Oh yeah. Good boy. Look at you. Go, Evan! Good job, buddy. Yeah, that's fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
You gonna bulldoze us out of your way?
Bulldozer!
Let's see your happy face. Yeah, you're so happy. You're so happy. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Yeah.